update in real time, as obviously the last 9 to 10 days under a new administration has been a lot of change for those of us in both healthcare from the clinical side and the clinical trials side. Being politically agnostic here, right, in the sense of we're really just concerned about what are the research compliance and regulatory implications in clinical trials and clinical research. Good news is legitimately we do have the communication freeze across all of our federal health agencies that is lightning, at least as far as we know, on February 1st. And that should, in theory, shed more light on what this next administration and new organization's plans are. The bad or the scary is we have seen in the last 9 to 10 days a significant halt on NIH funding, a significant change in meeting schedules as it relates to ongoing trials and proposed trials for 2025. We've seen a significant change in any publicly posted regulations that deal or touch upon diversity issues, whether those are the DEI policies of an intentional administration versus scientific diversity within our regulatory schema. Now, many will tell you, look, these weren't policies that had been well worn or well enforced, and they were issues that different various stakeholders within the clinical trial ownership cycle or life cycle have always championed, and that won't change. But many are very concerned that these are no longer publicly available and what that means for when that next announcement is made. What are we doing here at KLF to help our clients? One, we're staying on top of absolutely everything that's happening. We're constantly monitoring the news, both good and bad. Two, we're handing out advice just like this to our community to ensure that we keep our level heads about us. You know, as much as we are concerned and we don't have information, no news is not always bad news. The other thing that I would mention that I don't think has gotten probably enough highlight is that we have seen anything that was grandfathered in, previously approved, previously moving forward research has now been granted the right to continue to move forward while we are still waiting on this communications freeze. So please stay tuned. We're going to continue to keep you updated and keep our clients safe. But admittedly, this is a time of change and we all need to be continuing to pay attention.
Call, click, or email